Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Questions and answers practiced through pictures. Picture 1. What is the boy doing?
The boy is studying.
What items are on his desk?
There are books, a pencil, an eraser, a lamp, and a pen holder.
What is the boy using to write?
The boy is using a pencil.
How does the boy look while studying?
The boy looks happy.
What color is the boy's shirt?
The boy's shirt is blue.
Picture 2. What is the girl doing?
The girl is reading a book.
What is on the desk in front of the girl?
There are books and a lamp on the desk.
What color is the girl's hair tie?
The girl's hair tie is pink.
What is the girl wearing?
The girl is wearing a striped jacket.
How does the girl feel while reading?
The girl seems happy and focused.
Picture 3. What is the boy doing?
The boy is brushing his teeth.
What items are on the sink?
There are a toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and bottles.
What color is the towel?
The towel is red.
What color is the boy's shirt?
The boy's shirt is pink.
Why is the boy brushing his teeth?
The boy is brushing his teeth to keep them clean and healthy.
Picture 4. What is the woman doing?
The woman is reading a newspaper.
Where is the woman sitting?
The woman is sitting on a bench.
What is the color of her skirt?
Her skirt is blue.
What is the color of her top?
Her top is maroon.
Is the woman wearing glasses?
Yes, the woman is wearing glasses.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.